Hi guys, I'll show you how to use PhantomBuster for LinkedIn. So we want to type in PhantomBuster on Google or our desired website, and we first type in and you take the first one. Then you sign up for this free trial. So no credit card is required, so just type in your first name and your last name and your company name. So as you can see right here, I'll just type in something and then I'll sign up. After I have signed up, I have to verify my mail. So that I want to do, I'll just quickly head into my Gmail to sign up, to verify my sign up. So as you can see, I already got a mail. So I'll just click on this one called verify my mail. After I've done that, I will come back and I have to answer a quick survey. So I'll just select the one that fits for me. So you can also just select the survey that fits for you. So please be sure to add LinkedIn in the bottom. So after that, as you can see, there's a lot of different, when I hit the solution, there's a lot of different workflows that I can use. So my desired workflow that I want to use, I'll just click on use now, and that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching.